Premature graying of hair is an issue many of us battle with. Early graying of hair may be an indication of various factors. Some of the most common causes of premature hairing are genetics, stress, or vitamin B12 and biotin deficiency. While there is no definitive proof that specific foods can prevent hair from graying, a balanced diet rich in nutrients like B12 and biotin may promote healthy hair. Certainly, foods that are good source of biotin and B12, which is believed to support healthy hair, include the following. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are rich in biotin and protein, which are essential for strong and healthy hair. It is also rich in vitamin B12, a deficiency of which is linked to premature graying. Number 2. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds are high in biotin. These nuts and seeds together provide healthy fats and nutrients that benefit your hair. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Also known as yams, sweet potatoes contain high levels of biotin. It aids in the production of sebum, which keeps the hair healthy and prevents premature graying. It is also known to encourage hair growth and speeding up the rate of hair. Number 4. Fish. Salmon, sardines, and tuna are some fishes that are packaged with vitamin B12 and serve an excellent source of this essential vitamin. These fishes are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids responsible for healthy hair.